simple revision will start. What is this symbol? Raise your hand and tell me what is this symbol. Yes, Shahid?
Ma'am,
It's a bulb. You will raise your hand, okay? What is this symbol and this symbol? Aisha?
Ma'am, positive and negative circuit passing.
Positive and
Current
negative
passing.
circuit. Hajira? Arfat?
Switch, ma'am.
Switch,
One,
not
ma'am.
terminal. Okay, it's a switch. This one is open or closed?
Open, ma'am.
This one is open switch.
No,
That is
ma'am,
closed.
It is a closed switch. Matlab on position, but it is a closed circuit. This is switch off and it is an open circuit. Very good. Okay, so you guys know this. That is clear. Very nice. Tell me, do liquids conduct electricity?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Do all liquids conduct electricity?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. What is present inside the liquids that is making them conduct electricity?
Sulfur oxide.
Not necessarily sulfur oxide or whatever you said, not necessarily that. But what is present inside?
Copper sulfate.
Not necessarily copper sulfate all the time.
Salt.
Salt, yes. Salt is present inside. So basically there are positive and negative charges, okay, inside the liquid.
Ma'am, the two names tell no positive and negative. That called cathode, anode.
Those are electrodes. Okay, positive and negative charges means जैसे salt, normal salt that we eat is NaCl. Okay, इसमें positive charge is Na plus and negative charge is Cl minus. Okay, don't ask me where that plus minus comes from. If I go into detail, you'll be like, oh, it is there. Okay, CuSO4, copper sulfate. इसमें Cu2 plus is the positive charge and SO4 2 minus is the negative charge. Okay, let's say MgSO4. What is this? Mg means
Magnesium.
magnesium. इसमें
Magnesium.
positive charge is magnesium 2 plus, SO4 2 minus. ठीक है? So there are
Okay.
always salts में positive and negative charges inside the liquid help in conducting electricity. Okay, this much is clear. Positive and negative charges.
Yes,
Not
ma'am.
electrodes, not anode, cathode, not simply salt, but positive and negative charges.
Screwdriver come no, and I switch the charger no, that put come light on the screwdriver.
That is called a tester. Okay, that kind of a screwdriver is called a tester. Okay, fine. Then we learned how to make a tester of our own. Some screwdrivers will have light in their back. Most of the screwdrivers will not have. So we are connecting a bulb and we can see if the circuit is complete, bulb will glow. Why is bulb not glowing here? What is this? This is a
That is
conductor.
screwdriver. That is tester. This
This is also screwdriver only, Arshad.
Yes. No,
This
ma'am.
one is a good conductor. What is another name for poor conductor?
Back insulator.
Insulator. Who give me that answer?
Ma'am.
Asma.
Yes, ma'am.
I thought that was Hajira for a second. Okay, conductor and insulator. Plastic is an insulator, metal is a conductor. Okay, perfect. So take a screenshot of this. These are examples of salts. There are so many salts in this world. You cannot eat this, you cannot eat this, you can only eat NaCl. Okay, but there are other salts also. Some other salts also you can eat, but you can't eat these two. Okay, can I clear this?
ma'am in
Yes,
Nirma
ma'am.
also. No.
Yes.
Okay, done. Next, we'll move on. Arshad, please raise your hand if you want to ask something. Don't unmute and keep talking like that. Okay. Now here, this long line means what terminal? Long line is? Which terminal?
Positive terminal.
Please raise your hand. Positive terminal. And the small line is?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative terminal. Okay. What is the direction of electricity? Hajira?
Positive to negative.
Positive.
Okay. Direction of electricity is, I will write here. Direction of electric current या electricity. CITY. Please know the spelling. I'm just scribbling. Positive to negative. What is the direction of electrons?
Positive to negative.
Direction of electrons.
I can tell, ma'am.
Anybody else? Arfat, if nobody answers, then Umesh, do you want to answer? Husna, Manan, Aisha Khanum.
What, ma'am?
Direction of electrons. Agar
V-
electricity is positive to
Can I?
negative, electrons is
Negative to positive.
thank you. Electricity. Okay, so electricity is always CITY. Electricity is always opposite, in opposite direction. Alfia, go on mute. Opposite direction of movement of
Ma'am.
electrons. ठीक है? अगर electrons will always go from negative to positive. ठीक है? Electrons यानी negative charges. Electrons is equal to negative charges. So basically, if you say Cl minus SO4 2 minus, Cl में 1 electron is there that is free to move. SO4 2 minus में there are 2 electrons that are free to move. Okay, negative charges. Got it now? This minus is actually electrons. Okay. So electrons are going from negative to positive and electricity will always be positive to negative. Is that much clear? Can I get a thumbs up from you guys if it's clear? समझ आया ये? Electrons are negative charges, minus wala charges are electrons. Okay. Tell me, is Na plus an electron? Na plus? Yes or no? Be active, please. Refresh yourself. Come off mute. Say yes or no. I'm so happy
No,
to see
ma'am.
Hajira trying. Thank you, Hajira. No.
Yes, ma'am.
This does not have free electron. This has
No,
positive
ma'am.
charge. Okay. इसके
Ma'am, can
अंदर
you repeat
इलेक्ट्रॉन
once?
है बट वो फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नहीं है. Cl माइनस में 1 फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन है जो मूव कर सकता है. ठीक है. So those are the charges we are talking about. Okay. So now this is the direction of electrons and the other one is direction of electricity. Okay. Positive to negative. Clear. I'm clearing the image. Take a screenshot now.
Done, ma'am.
2, 1. Okay. This much you have revised. Okay. Now then we did electrodes. Okay. So we'll come back to this part, this page later. We did electrodes. What were the chemical effects we saw in that video when we put that electrode inside? What did we observe? Chemical effects.
Ma'am, that the scale was get golden color of copper.
Okay. That is, how do you say it? What is that chemical effect?
Ma'am, that magnetic effect.
What magnetic
Electroplating.
effect? Electroplating.
Electroplating.
First chemical effect of electric current is electroplating. What is another chemical effect? और क्या क्या chemical changes देखने को मिलता है जब हम लिक्विड में ऐसे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास करते हैं? एक है इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग और क्या है?
Change in color.
change in color. There's one more. Anybody apart from Arfat can answer? Because I understood Arfat knows all the answers. So somebody else can try. Change in color. What was that video? They put na ऐसे क्या देखने को मिला था उसमें से?
Ma'am,
Yes, Hajira.
difference.
Difference what? We saw na यहाँ से there was something that what was coming out in that video.
Ma'am,
Plus minus.
Huh?
small balloons, ma'am.
Balloons, bubbles.
Bubbles.
Okay, formation of bubbles. I'm very happy that Hajira is trying. Only she will get more points along with Arfat. And I think here and there some answers, some other kids are also giving. Mehak is also giving answers. So there are bubbles, there is change in color and electroplating. These are some of the effects of chemical effects of electric current. Chemical effects यानी electric current ये सारी chemical changes कर सकता है. Bubbles बना सकता है, color change कर सकता है, electroplating कर सकता है. What are these two things called? Starts with E. Somebody else.
I
What
can
are
tell,
these
ma'am.
called, Aisha? Arfat, I know you know the answer. Please wait, I want to see. Husna, answer. What are these two things called? These two rods?
Ma'am, electrons. Positive electron, ma'am.
Not electron, darling. Positive electron, positive electrode and negative electrode. Electrode, R-O-D-E. ठीक है?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
now electrodes are of two types, positive electrode and negative electrode. Positive electrode is called what? Positive electrode को क्या बोलते हैं?
Negative.
I told you what
Ma'am,
T-
cathode. Ma'am, cathode.
cathode,
And negative person anode.
anode. Okay?
Ma'am, I told right only, no.
Yes, correct. So this one, which one is, this one is anode or cathode? This
Which
one
one,
is
ma'am?
the one that I'm
Which one?
pointing. Picture में जो मैं point कर रही हूँ वो anode है या
Cathode.
cathode है?
Cathode.
Cathode. Very good. क्योंकि वो positive
Cathode,
से
ma'am.
it is joined, so it is positive electrode which is cathode. And this one is, if that is cathode, this one will be
Anode.
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 Very good. Okay. Now tell me, if you are putting two plates like this, you saw that experiment also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Which वाला electrode, कौन से electrode से metal will go into the water? Which one will become thin?
Anode.
Very good. Anode will become thin.
Yeah.
And which one will become thick?
Cathode.
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 Okay, cathode will become thick. Because cathode में plus sign है. Plus sign means anode से metal is going and attaching to cathode. Plus हो रहा है cathode में. ठीक है? So cathode
Yes,
will become
ma'am.
thick. In that experiment that we saw, हमने metal वाला plate यहाँ पे देखा था ना. This was the metal plate and this was the copper plate. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me, this copper plate is cathode or anode?
Ma'am,
Anode.
anode.
This copper वाला.
Anode.
Anode.
ma'am.
Cathode. Cathode, ma'am.
Guys,
Cathode.
डायरेक्शन कुछ भी हो सकता है. ठीक है? This can be anode, this can be cathode, or this can be cathode, this can be anode. It doesn't matter anode or cathode कौन से डायरेक्शन में लगा है. ठीक है? In that experiment, we saw that this copper one, this was the anode, because from here water में copper is falling, and from that it is going back to the metal. So this one is the cathode, because metal is getting plus or added to the cathode. Okay, got it? Now
Okay,
you are
ma'am.
done with the revision.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Easy.
ma'am.
All this,
Yes.
only this much you have to remember. You can take a screenshot here. Okay. Okay. Any doubts so far?
No, no.
No doubts. This much is clear to you. You know anode, cathode. You know कहाँ से कहाँ metal जाता है. That's it. That's only there in this chapter. Electrodes are there. Baki, whatever I explained, no, that positive charge is going from here to idhar se idhar. All those is for you to imagine. Just imagine it, leave it off. Understand and leave it off. That's all. You understood? No, that's enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You don't have to memorize कि oh positive मतलब it will jump into this, यहाँ पे negative charge हो जाएगा. No, that is only for you to imagine. Okay, I only wanted you to think like a scientist. Okay, this experiment I told you to do in your home. Please try it. Just keep one cell or battery and put one wire. That's all. You don't need this thing. Just put it in potato and see it after 5-10 minutes. You will see green color in which side? Anode or cathode?
Anode.
Anode or cathode?
Cathode.
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 Cathode, Hajira, positive. Positive say it is joining, so it is cathode. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So cathode may always you will see the reaction. So write it down somewhere. Reaction is always seen in cathode. Okay. Visible reaction. All those bubbles that are formed, that is also formed in cathode. That bubble wala video that we saw, that was also formed in cathode.
Yes.
Okay. Now this potato experiment is done. Now we are coming to electroplating. What is electroplating? Its name
Ma'am,
only
jo
plating of. Now tell me, plating of
copper,
only copper.
silver,
Copper plate.
So what will you give them? General name: copper, silver, chromium, gold, aluminium, सब कुछ. उसको क्या नाम दोगे?
to who, ma'am? Electroplating.
इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग. प्लेटिंग ऑफ कॉपर, जिंक, ये पूरा आप नहीं लिस्ट करोगे ना, तो उनको शॉर्ट में क्या बोलोगे? एम.
Ma'am,
M.
एम व्हाट?
say, ma'am. Say, ma'am.
टेल मी.
Ma'am, what? Just say.
I said plating of dash and you said some names like copper, zinc and all those things, right? You said copper है, zinc है, chromium है, gold है, silver है. ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें हम प्लेट करते हैं. We plate those things. What are those things called? What is copper, zinc, all those things?
Magnesium.
Magnesium.
No, ma'am.
Metal. Oh my god. Those are metals. So plating of one metal
To another.
on another metal using
Using
Copper.
using electricity
Three.
is called electroplating. Plating, plate करना एक metal को on another metal using electricity. Only if you remember this name, only look at the name and write the meaning. Okay?
Ma'am, humans की electroplating हो सकती है, ma'am.
नहीं यार, humans are not metals. If you put yourself in cathode, no, you will burn. Please, you will get electrocuted. ठीक है? So नहीं, not a good idea, Umesh. Don't try to electroplate yourself. Okay? This much is clear now. Electroplating क्या होता है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
we are going to underline or like what
ma'am.
are uses of chromium, why is electroplating done, all those things. Okay? जिसका answer you will find. Okay, so this is the explanation of electroplating. Okay, so how is electroplating carried out? When electric current is passed through copper sulfate solution. So when you have to explain electroplating, you say electroplating may take a jar, put some copper sulfate solution in the jar. In one metal plate, मतलब take one copper plate and attach it to कौन सा, cathode or anode? Copper
Anode.
Anode.
And take a metal plate, attach it to
Cathode.
cathode. When you pass electricity, copper from anode will move into the water, and
Yes,
copper
ma'am.
from
Yes.
water will get plated on the cathode,
Yes.
Yes.
on the negative terminal. Instead of cathode and anode, they are using negative and positive terminal. Free copper gets drawn into electrode connected on the negative terminal of the battery and gets deposited on it. इसको अच्छे flower language में आपके लिए यहाँ पे लिखा है, but it's very easy. You can write it in your words. Easy.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Easy. Easy.
Imagination का खेल, okay? Perfect. So this paragraph, please mark it because it's important. अगर आपको शब्द नहीं मिल रहे हैं, words नहीं मिल रहे हैं कि मैं electroplating कैसे समझाऊं, you can find those words here. How does electroplating work? ठीक है? Next, we are coming to
Okay.
uses of electroplating. ठीक है? So that is from here to here full is uses of electroplating. You only have to remember some 3 to 5. Okay? Because 5 marks the question you won't even have.
Mark no.
Yes, I marked yesterday. ठीक है? इसमें they are talking about some metals. First we'll list down all the metals. Okay? Chromium is first one they are talking about. What else after chromium?
Zinc,
Zinc. Then
copper,
Copper.
silver, gold,
wait. Copper, silver,
Silver.
Gold.
Zinc,
gold.
Gold.
One more which is used in khana ka dabbas.
Salt.
No. You can't
aluminium,
electroplate
aluminium.
Salt. Aluminium.
No,
Steel, ma'am. Steel.
Steel is not.
Plastic.
जो डब्बे में कोट करते हैं, क्या कोट करते हैं आपके अचार वाला जो
tin,
डब्बा
ma'am,
लाते हैं?
tin. Wow.
टिन के बाद और क्या बोल रहे हैं? और क्या इन्होंने कोट करने की बात करी है यहाँ पे? लास्ट पैराग्राफ चेक करो.
Iron.
Iron.
Okay, and then zinc is also there. Okay, so first they talk about chromium. So here they are saying that electroplating is used for what? Uses of electroplating, like why? Where is it used? It is used in different industries for coating metal with a thin layer of another metal that we already know. For example, car, taps, kitchen, gas burner, handles, all these things. First is, why is chromium used? Why is it used?
Ma'am, because it looks shiny, no.
It looks shiny appearance. Then
It is not expensive.
it is not expensive. Chromium is expensive. इसलिए chromium is expensive. It's not cheap. That's why we can't make the whole thing out of chromium.
Ma'am, what is the chromium?
Chromium is a metal.
It look like
Okay,
silver color.
Yeah, it will look like somewhat silver color. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so it's like a
Ma'am.
reflective thing. आपकी जो साइकिल्स अगर आप देखोगे, आपके साइकिल का जो हैंडल है वो सिल्वर कोटेड नहीं है, वो सिल्वर का नहीं बना है, वो क्रोमियम प्लेटेड है. उसको ऐसे स्क्रैच करोगे, उसके अंदर आपको दूसरा मेटल दिखेगा. यू विल फाइंड
Yes,
अनदर
ma'am.
मेटल इनसाइड इट. ओके.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
it will not. It is not dirty, ma'am.
It is not dirty nahi. See, it's here, it's written right here. It has a shiny appearance. It will not corrode, यानी वो rust नहीं होता है. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Scratches.
It will not scratch easily. आपको resist scratch की जगह पे if you want to write, it will not scratch easily. You can write that also. So it is
Okay, ma'am.
expensive. Chromium is expensive, so it may not be economical to make the whole object out of chromium. If you make it like that, cycle will be some लाखों में. Okay, but it's not like that. So we only plate it from chromium because we can't make the whole thing out of chromium. Okay.
Okay,
Not
ma'am, okay.
economical मतलब
Okay,
not
ma'am.
good for our pockets, for our money. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Next they are talking about silver and gold. Where do we use silver and gold?
First,
For
weddings,
gel.
fashion,
Welding की दुकान.
Ma'am, for jala.
Jewelry. है ना? Gold and silver
Yes.
are again expensive. So ornaments that have appearance of gold or silver. ठीक है? और you can write, अगर question है what are uses of electroplating, you can write to resist scratch, to make
is-
the metal look expensive, make it look expensive. वो दिखाना चाहते हैं कि ये महंगा है पर वो है नहीं.
and shiny appearance.
Shiny, resist scratch, resist corrosion. Okay, so you can write general for all this. ठीक है? But if they ask you specially कि आप silver और gold क्यों electroplate करते हो, why do you electroplate silver and gold? Then you can say
Coating of chromium over its deposit jewelry makes
chromium is done.
elect-
Now we are coming to
Ma'am.
gold.
gold. Sunna.
Okay. Gold
Yes,
and
ma'am.
silver are electroplated on less expensive metals so that it is either shiny. You can add shiny here also, because gold and silver are expensive. So ornament
Yes.
or jewelry which is electroplated with gold and silver is cheaper than actual gold and silver jewelry. ठीक है? अगर आप एक सोने का ज्वेलरी खरीदते हो आपको लाखों देने पड़ेंगे, लेकिन आपको मार्केट में
Yes,
गोल्डन
ma'am.
कलर के इयररिंग्स, आई हैव वन राइट हियर, कैन यू सी माय इयररिंग? इट इज पीछे इसके गोल्डन कलर सा दिख रहा है ना?
Yes,
बट इट्स
ma'am.
नॉट एक्चुअल गोल्ड. मैं इसको स्क्रैच करूंगी तो वो निकल जाएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके,
Yes.
it will look like gold, so it will look shiny and it is much cheaper than actual gold jewelry. ठीक है? So आपको बस अपने
Yes,
वर्ड्स में ये लिखना है कि gold and silver is actually
Okay, ma'am.
expensive. So
Okay.
if we quote it, it is much less expensive. Why do we use tin coating?
Tin, ma'am.
Yes, tin coating. Why?
Ma'am, because ma'am for putting homemade cheese.
Yes, and why not iron?
Ma'am, iron
Ma'am,
also
iron will
put
become
loaded.
very dust, no. That's why.
Iron also
But
will
iron will get rusted.
iron will get rusted and it will cause poisoning. Tin
Yes.
is less reactive than iron. That is why food जो है वो आयरन के साथ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट आते ही आयरन रस्ट होने लगेगा, क्योंकि आयरन रस्ट कैसे होता है? जब उसमें पानी लगता है ना, H2O,
Yes.
पानी एंड ऑक्सीजन लगता है,
जंग खा जाता है मैम.
जंग आ जाता है. So that zunk is not
Yes,
good
ma'am.
for eating, no? That's why we coat it with tin, because tin is less reactive than iron. This one is important. Tin is less reactive than iron. Okay.
Yes, let's take it.
Then we are done with so many. Copper, you know, copper wire and all those things. Again, this is same thing, okay, to make it look shiny, all those things.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
tell me, iron. Iron कहाँ पे use करते हैं हम लोग?
Bridges.
Ma'am,
And
in
in buildings.
Ma'am, in
Automobile.
factories,
What is? Of course, iron is used everywhere. You look around you, तुम्हारे door का handle is also made up of iron. But what will happen
Yes,
if
ma'am.
everything is made up of iron?
Ma'am, it will remove ma'am dust and also rust.
It will catch rust easily. So iron always easily gets rusted. So we coat it with zinc. Okay. Zinc is
ma'am,
deposited on
coated
iron.
with, ma'am, coated with zinc means,
Coated with zinc मतलब अगर मान लो कि आयरन का डोर नॉब है, ठीक है, या फिर आयरन का हैंडल है. Your handle looks something like this. Yes or no?
yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
If I put this
Yes,
in
ma'am.
door after like 1 or 2 months, it will get rusted. It will become red color, no? Then अगर
Yes,
हाथ लग
ma'am.
गया, हमको चोट लग जाएगी, we will only become कोई infection आ जाएगा, है ना?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, there's
that
color
color also
no, ma'am.
change, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, color will change. Yes, Umesh?
there's two types of zinc, no.
What do you mean 2 types of zinc?
Ma'am, one zinc is like I saw in like ma'am in food items. No, I saw that added zinc and this here also zinc.
Zinc is actually, it's the same zinc, Zn. It is important for human body also. Some metals are actually important for human bodies. Like iron. Iron पता है ना? Iron की कमी हो गई है.
Yes.
ठीक है, आपका जो
Yes,
ब्लड
ma'am.
है ना गाइस, आपका जो ब्लड है, आपने हीमोग्लोबिन सुना है ना? हीमोग्लोबिन
Yes,
कम
ma'am.
हो गया है इसका. आपका
Yes,
जो
ma'am.
ब्लड का रेड कलर है वो हीमोग्लोबिन में आता है. ठीक है, हीमोग्लोबिन
Yeah.
से GLOBIN, हीमोग्लोबिन से आपका ब्लड का रेड कलर इज कमिंग फ्रॉम हीमोग्लोबिन. हीमोग्लोबिन इज अ थिंग दैट इज हैविंग आयरन इन इट, Fe. ठीक है, हीमोग्लोबिन का स्ट्रक्चर कुछ ऐसा होता है, 4 Fe होते हैं उसमें. ओके, It is like making a bridge like this in hemoglobin, inside hemoglobin. Okay, so that means if you don't eat iron यानी पालक जैसे green leaves में if you don't eat that, then आपको hemoglobin की कमी हो जाएगी.
Ma'am, in that
Then we will become Iron Man, man.
Yes, palak
we-
is full of iron. So some
If we eat-
metals, yes, Fe. That doesn't mean कि आप लोहा उठा के खाओगे, नहीं. If you eat actual लोहा
ma'am.
like metal form में अगर आप iron खाते हो, तो वो आपको पेट में जाके चुभेगा, ठीक है?
Yes.
Food also, iron I told you na, Fe, it is an atom. Atoms and elements are so small, I showed you, right? So
Yes,
that is
ma'am.
good for your body, okay? So now we are coating with
Ma'am,
zinc. Yes,
zinc also look like silver color only, no?
is it?
Yes, I searched in Google just now, ma'am.
Very good. Okay,
That,
all right.
ma'am,
So,
this, see,
bolo,
that
ma'am.
handle, वो handle का color only, ma'am. That cycle handle.
Yes. So agar iron jo hai, it will become rusted. So when we are saying coating of zinc, we mean electroplating zinc on iron. Okay? Understood, Manan?
Yes, ma'am.
कोटिंग मतलब आप उसको पेंट की तरह नहीं लगा रहे हो, आप उसको इलेक्ट्रोप्लेट कर रहे हो, ठीक है? इस हैंडल को आप कैथोड में रखोगे, जिंक को आप एनोड में रखोगे, इट विल गेट कोटेड लाइक दैट. स्केल गॉट कोटेड, नो, लाइक दैट.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am,
Yes, yes.
but ma'am, but after so many years or so many months, no, that zinc will also will remove it from that metal, no?
Yes, it will. Of course, it will. Okay. So either you will have to coat it again, or you have to remove the handle, because ultimately it will, everything will get spoiled. No, कभी ना कभी सब चीजें खत्म होती है. तो instead of उसको जल्दी, iron तो और जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा ना. So that's why we are putting zinc, so that we can slow down the process of corrosion. Okay, we can slow it down. It is deposited on iron to protect it from corrosion and formation of rust. Zinc is less reactive than iron, okay? So it will not get corroded that easily also. But over a few years, it
Ma'am,
will.
your voice is breaking.
Simran, can you please go to a different location? My Wi-Fi is perfect.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Any doubt in the chapter?
Yes,
Electroplating
ma'am.
भी हो गया, आपने concepts भी पढ़ लिए. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
No doubt, ma'am. If
No
I have doubt, I will tell you.
You can ask me anytime. Now we are going to do a few questions, okay? So there is this
Okay,
one
ma'am.
question I really liked in your book, which I did not teach you, but I think you guys can be smart enough to answer this by yourself. So in the fourth question, they are saying the bulb does not glow in the setup. List the possible reasons. So let us list the reasons. What are some reasons why the bulb will not glow? Raise your hand.
Ma'am, because
Ma'am, because they
Because-
don't have.
I can tell, ma'am.
I'm seeing Hajira wants to answer. Can I please give her a chance first? She rarely ever answers. So right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Hajira, go ahead. Hajira is interested in today's class.
That photo, no, they not close, ma'am. That's why bulb is not on.
Not closed. No, darling, this is closed. When you do this thing in between battery, ना, इसका मतलब वो battery joined है. ठीक है? So this is complete circuit only. Because यहाँ पर भी it is complete, no fluid is there. So it is complete circuit only. But okay, we can list that as one reason. Either the circuit is open, but right now in this setup, circuit is not open. So we'll not list that. What are the other reasons, Aisha?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
can I-
thought there's not passing electricity.
What?
Ma'am, there's not passing electric circuit or like electricity.
Okay. Arifat?
Ma'am, this liquid don't have salt, ma'am.
Okay. Liquid may not have salt. Okay. Liquid may not have enough charges, you will say, not salt. Okay, Aisha, you won't say electricity because they are showing us the setup, na? Okay. So how will you
Yes,
say
ma'am.
there is no electricity? How can you say that in a different way? Like What are the reasons why electricity will not be there?
Yeah, ma'am.
Electricity it will not there or bulb.
Bulb is not glowing that you can see. ठीक है? Bulb is not glowing. What are the reasons? Electricity is not there करके you can't say. One reason is liquid may not have enough charges. What else?
Ma'am, because ma'am that bulb ka jo under that comes no batti, maybe that
Yes.
will break.
What is it called? F से start होता है. Bulb is
Right.
Fracture.
F fractured.
Fuse.
Fused. Bulb is fused.
Ma'am, maybe that wires are not plugged clearly.
That is what Hajira said. Okay, let us put that as a reason. Maybe the wire is disconnected. Wire may be disconnected. So
Ma'am,
I'm putting
inside-
Hajira's point here. Huh?
Ma'am, inside that liquid, no, there is not volts, ma'am, volt.
Volt nahi.
That-
That is what Arfat said. Liquid may not have enough charge.
Ma'am, terminals, ma'am.
Terminals.
Something is wrong with these terminals.
Okay, so electrodes. Terminals or electrodes?
Electrodes, ma'am.
Okay, electrodes are spoiled.
Ma'am, maybe they, like you told, no, that cathode and anode, ma'am, by transferring a problem.
So that is maybe electrodes are spoiled. Something is wrong with the electrodes. What else? I want one more reason. It's here, right here.
Ma'am, I think there one come magnetic, ma'am.
Magnetic? No, not magnetic. But why magnetic?
No.
Tell me why you thought of magnetic. Maybe you have a good
Ma'am,
reason.
open circuit.
Open circuit I have written. Wire may be disconnected.
Ma'am,
Why magnetic, Hajira?
Ma'am, because there have one thing, ma'am, एक
Ma'am.
चीज वो मिस है उससे.
अच्छा
Ma'am,
वो
again,
वाला
ma'am,
जो
ma'am,
हमने
ma'am.
कंपास वाला लगाया था डार्लिंग वो टेस्टर होता है उसकी
Ma'am.
जरूरत भी नहीं है ठीक है
Ma'am, I think that bulb was get damaged or something.
I have written that guys battery is discharged
Battery column.
हाँ one simple I pointed also battery answer is there
Yes, ma'am, I also telling that only. I tell that battery.
battery is not working battery is discharged battery is something okay discharge लिख लो और अगर discharge वाला word नहीं मिल रहा है तो write it कि it is not working okay but guys this reason is one of the main reasons okay liquids may not have enough charges or enough salt or all those things okay so I'm going to can you take a screenshot of this because you will write this down this fourth
Okay,
question
ma'am.
ka answer in your notebook this is very
Okay, ma'am.
nice question I really love this question take a screenshot 3 2
Done,
One.
ma'am.
done.
chapter is over.
Yeah,
Ma'am, only one class or two class. That was only.
yeah. I told you I'm super fast.
Okay,
See,
ma'am.
okay. So
Ma'am,
we are going to one part of your textbook that I did not do. Okay, 1 second. Can you
Yes,
guys
ma'am.
be on mute, all of you? Okay. So you will come to page number 173. This whole thing, okay. When the liquid between two ends of a tester allow electric current to pass, the circuit of tester become complete. Yani they are just saying, agar circuit complete hai, to tester will, like the bulb will glow. Current flows in the circuit and bulb will glow. Please be on mute. Somebody is not on mute. Suhail. Okay. When the liquid does not allow electric current to pass, the circuit of the tester is not complete and it does not glow. Okay? Suhail, be on mute. Thank you. Suhail. Again. Okay. So they are saying कि अगर liquid से electricity pass होता है तो circuit complete है and it will glow. In the fluid, if electricity is not passing, then circuit is not complete. It will not glow. Okay. Now they are giving you the reason also. Current through the circuit is too weak. Then the filament will not get heated. ठीक है? So it's not that कभी-कभी salt नहीं है, कभी-कभी salt है, but it is still very weak. So in that first point that you said, the way we wrote it, you can say the current through the circuit is too weak. You can add this reason also. Okay, that the filament does not get heated. Got it? Please mark these 3 lines, niche wala. Clear everyone? Have you marked it?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is, अगर electric current जो है वो बहुत weak है, it will not go. So what are the possible reasons? There was some very nice thing that I read here. Sufficiently not low, and yeah, this thing only. Yeah. The circuit and tester may be complete, yet the current through it may be too weak to make the bulb glow. Okay, so one reason why the bulb will not glow is current is too weak. Okay, so in that point, like the salt is not there, all those points that we listed, just add one more point to that fourth question. The current in the circuit is too weak. That is probably because in the solution there is some salt but not lot of salt. ठीक है, distilled water होगा तो बिल्कुल भी salt नहीं है, but otherwise there will be some amount of salt but not a lot of salt, and that's why the current is weak. Okay, got this point all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have 2 more minutes. Let's see if we can pick another question,
Why, ma'am?
because there are really good questions in your textbook and I've never paid attention to it properly, but we will do it when we are doing revision. Okay, 1 second. One more thing was there. Yeah, this 12th question. Okay, read the 12th question, guys. The process that you saw in activity 14.7, that is the electroplating copper wala activity, is used for purification of copper. So when we did the experiment, we put copper on one side and metal on the other side, right? Yes. But look at this activity,
Yes,
we are
ma'am.
putting copper
Yes,
plate
ma'am.
on both the sides. Okay.
Yes,
So I told you, na, we'll come back to this. Copper plate is used on both the sides. दोनों side में copper plate. क्या फायदा? Copper ही copper में coat हो रहा है. ठीक है? So this method is actually used for purifying copper. ठीक है? Purifying copper मतलब कोई भी metal अगर हम earth से, if we are taking any metal out, then it will have some impurities with it. Okay, and that impurity is not ऊपर से ऐसे dust कर दोगे तो निकलने वाला impurity नहीं है, उसके बीच बीच में मिट्टी होती है and वो जम चुका होता है. जैसे आइस में अगर बीच बीच में मिट्टी होगी तो आपको पिघलाना पड़ेगा ना पूरा, you will have to melt it completely.
Yes.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
like that. Okay, so this electroplating wala, this method where two metals are put on the same, like two same electrodes are put in the beaker, and then we are used to purify it. Okay, so we'll read the question and then see what they're asking. A thin plate of pure copper and a thick rod of impure copper are used as electrodes. So one is thin copper, one is thick and impure. गंदा वाला copper thick rod लेंगे, pure copper अच्छा वाला copper thin वाला plate लेंगे. Copper from impure rod is sought to be transferred to the thin copper plate. Which electrode should be attached to the positive terminal of the battery and why? ठीक है, so they are saying कि one thick impure copper rod they are taking and one thin pure copper they are taking. So they are now asking कि अगर हमको ये impure copper, we have to make this also into pure, which copper should go to which terminal? Anyone can try? Raise your hand.
I can try, ma'am.
Go ahead.
The thin copper will come in the cathode place,
Okay.
ma'am. And the thicker part will come in anode place because
Yes.
the impure one is transferring
Perfect.
unwanted things to the purest one.
Very good. So impure one will be the anode, because from anode copper will go here and then we'll have to take CuSO4. Copper sulfate should be here, okay, in the jar. okay, and it is going into the water, and CuSO4 say copper is going here. So what will happen to all the mud that is there in the impure copper? What will happen to that? That will also get attached?
No, ma'am. That will go into this liquid.
It will fall down. Okay, understood everyone? In higher classes, when you learn
Yes,
electroplating, you will see that always when we are purifying metal, impure metal, you can write it here, impure metal is taken, placed, CED, placed at anode or negative terminal and pure metal is, uska pura complete karna, pure metal is taken, is placed at cathode. All the impurities, what will happen to the impurities? Will settle down. Will settle down. Kiske niche it will settle down? At the bottom of what?
CuSO4.
Not bottom of CuSO4. Bottom of what?
The jar.
jar.
Of the anode. Bottom of the anode. Bottom of anode. ANODE. And this is called anode mud. Okay, you will learn this in higher classes. This is called anode mud. That is the name given to it. Whatever mud is there below anode, we call it anode mud. And never you will see mud on the cathode side. Always anode. This is called anode mud. Underline this. This is your complete answer. Okay? Clear? Easy to
Okay, ma'am.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Once you know anode, cathode, your life is easy for this chapter at least. Okay? So take a screenshot here and write this question. 4th question and 12th question should be there in your notebook. Baki question answers we will do later. Okay? I want to show you anode mud. Have you all taken a screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Yeah. So this is the anode mud part. Every time in the anode only the mud is deposited. And the big tankers in factories, let me actually search that. Electrodes in factories. One second. Let's see if we get some. Yeah. So these are the electrodes that people use in factories. This is completely made up of graphite. Okay, you can see this. Graphite as in आपकी जो pencil जिस चीज से बनती है ना, whatever your pencil is made up of, that's made up of graphite. So your pencil, if you take out that pencil का जो lid बोलते हो ना, आप वो ले लोगे, and if you put it, that's also like it will act as a electrode. Okay, so they put this in big tanks, and then they put electrolyte or water with some salt or some sort of salt. They'll put that, and then they will plate all these big things. Okay, so let me search electroplating in factories. So yeah, see this big tanks and big buckets or bath is there, and they are just electroplating like this. Got it? Clear? Your doubts, everything is done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
What's your doubt?
Ma'am, like electroplating process is there. In that plate, the copper will stick to the silver. The part will go now to that another part.
Yes.
What if there is a solution, ma'am, to remove that from?
Is there a solution? I think you will have to do reverse electroplating. Then उसको जो anode, जो cathode में उसको anode में रखो, और दूसरी साइड फिर it will go like that. Got it? The
It
thing
will
is, guys, electroplating में I'll tell you what, I'm gonna share my whiteboard. The biggest or the major factor is not cathode or anode. It's actually आप कौन सा solution use करते हो. ठीक है? For example, if you want to plate zinc on this, okay, and if you take, this is, मान लो this is iron and you want to plate it with zinc, okay, and you are taking zinc here. It doesn't matter if you take zinc on the anode. If your solution is copper sulfate, then zinc will come. You remember the reactivity series, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Zinc is reactive than copper. Is it? Check karna. I don't remember actually, but I think zinc is one of the most reactive ones. So zinc क्या करेगा? Copper को displace कर देगा. You remember displacement reaction?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this thing will become zinc sulfate, and this copper will go and attach here. So instead of plating it with zinc, what will happen? It will get plated with copper. That's not what we want. So if you want to plate with zinc, the solution should be zinc sulfate. The thing that you want it to be plated with, that should be in the solution. Okay. And a more reactive metal or the same metal should be taken in the anode part. Okay. Only then the displacement will
Okay,
happen.
ma'am.
If I am taking zinc sulfate solution here, मान लो कि I want to plate this with zinc. Okay, I've taken zinc sulfate solution here, and then I'm taking gold. I'm taking gold anode or silver anode, Ag or Au, gold or silver. Okay, then what will happen? You know that gold and silver were at the bottom, right? There was platinum, gold, silver, three things at the bottom. You remember the reactivity series, the list that I gave you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
in that bottom, we had copper, silver, sorry, not copper. We had gold, silver, platinum. If you take that, this is less reactive than zinc. Will it displace zinc? Can it say gold ke zinc mujhe apna jagah de? Can it say that?
No, ma'am.
No. So nothing will happen. No reaction will happen. So this whole electroplating has a big part of your displacement reaction also. There will be no reaction in this case and no electroplating will happen. So it's not necessary that every time electroplating happens. Sometimes it won't happen. Got it? Clear? So the solution is what matters. The salt solution that you take here is what matters. So whatever salt is there in the solution is what will get electroplated. Okay? That's why I told you this jumping wala thing. Because first it is coming here and then it is going there. It is not directly going to the other metal. There's a step there. Okay. Now clear?